Look at this, guys. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Mm-mm. Yo, 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 yo. What's up? What's up? What's up? Chef Young D right here. If you want to see how I prepare this very delicious stir fried chicken with vegetables, just stick around now. I will show you right after the break. Alright, guys. As you can see from my thumbnail, today I'll be preparing a very delicious stir fried chicken with vegetables. Alright, guys. First, I'm gonna start by cutting up my chicken, and I'm actually using the boneless thigh, right? The reason being, I like the texture of meat, right? The breast is more dry, the thigh is more on the juicy side, so I rather use the thigh for this recipe. You can use the breast if you want, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my chicken thigh in some nice bites, right? Right, you can cut it small if you want, but this is the size that I want, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning my chicken. First, I'm gonna add half teaspoon of garlic salt. Also gonna add half teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Also gonna add 1 egg. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all in. And you can use a spoon if you want, right? Or you can wash your hand real clean and just mix it all in. Just go ahead and stir all that flavor into your chicken. Alright. So I'm just gonna leave it to sit for about 15 minutes before I start the cooking process. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some seasoned and vegetable. First I'm gonna start by cutting up my red bell pepper. Right. And guys, I'm just cutting this in some cube size, right? You can cut it how you want it, right? But I want mine in some cubes. I'm actually using half of a medium red bell pepper, and half of a medium yellow bell pepper, 1 medium onion, some broccoli, some scallion, 2 stalks of scallion, and I only need the green part of the scallion. I'm not going to use all the scallion, just the green, right? And 4 cloves of garlic. Same thing for my yellow bell pepper. I'll be cutting it in some cubes as well. You can cut it in whatever design you want, right? Whatever shape or form. Now, same thing for my onion, right? I need my onion to cut in some chunks, right? And I'm actually gonna separate my onion. Let's separate them. Alright, now for my broccoli, right? Just gonna go ahead and cut off the stem, right? I'm gonna slice my broccoli about this size. I'm just gonna place back this piece in the fridge. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the green of my scallion, right? And as what I was saying, I don't need the white part of the scallion. I just need the green, right? So you can cut it whenever on whichever design you want, right? But I'm just gonna slant and cut thin. I'm just gonna push that one side, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and finally chop my garlic. Alright, so this is good enough, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing a couple sauce together. First I'm gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also gonna add 4 tablespoons of spicy Thai chili sauce. Also gonna add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Also gonna add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil. Also gonna add 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix my sauce together. Alright, so I'm just gonna set it aside. Now I'm gonna start preparing my chicken. First I'm gonna start by adding 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start adding my chicken. I'm gonna stir fry my chicken for about 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my chicken out. And guys, this is smelling magnificent, trust me. Wow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Also gonna add my garlic. Now I'm going in with my onion. Go ahead and turn my stove down because the pot is very hot, right? I don't want to burn my season. Also gonna add my red and yellow bell peppers. Right. Now I'm going in with my broccoli. Guys, the kitchen is just bursting with flavor right now. I smell the garlic, I smell the onion, all the season, all the aroma. Now I'm gonna add my chicken. Just mix it around a bit. I'm just gonna give my vegetable about 2 minutes to steam a bit before I add the sauce. Now I'm going in with my sauce. Guys, you should be smelling this aroma right now. Wow, the kitchen is just bursting with flavors. Trust me. Oh, this is nice. I swear. Look at it. Ain't this beautiful? Wow. Also gonna add my scallion. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of sesame seed. Mix it all together. Look how beautiful this look. Wow. Look at it, guys. Look at this, guys. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Alright, guys. So you have the finishing product of my stir-fried chicken. Oh, look. Look delicious, right? Tastes delicious too. I wish if you all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and garnish with some more sesame seed. Magnificent. Alright, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for y'all. This is heaven right here. This is heaven right here. Trust me. My word. Guys, it paired nice with the rice, you see? This tastes good with the rice. Trust me. My word. Marvelous. Look at this, guys. Look at this. You seen it? Wow. Magnificent. Wow, this nice. I enjoy this, I swear. Come on. Yeah, eat this every day. You know what, guys? I finish this off camera right now. So, we catch up on next time, yeah? Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell below to keep up to date with all the latest videos each and every week. So, until then, take care. I'm out.